Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. I want to make this movie on Mobizen. I'm assuming that's how you pronounce it. Never heard anyone say the word, so. Anyways, if you look at their reviews on the Google Play Store, a lot of people say that the screen recording function doesn't work, or that they can't get the screen function to work, or that it stops in the middle, or when the screen changes from landscape to portrait or back and forth, that the screen recording doesn't work real well. So I want to show you guys a way to do it. I use a different program anytime I'm recording my screen, like right now. I use a completely different program and it works great. I've had no problems with it. And if you can't get the Mobizen one to work, just do it this way. It's a lot easier. Plus you'll have other benefits of being able to record your screen. So this video is assuming that you already have the Mobizen app working. It's installed on your computer, it's installed on your phone, you're able to get a connection. You can see on my screen I have Madden Mobile up, and you can see I'm messing with it and that it works. So the program I use is called BB Flashback Express, and you can see it back here. I'll put a link in the description below, but this is the developer's website. They do require you to put in an email address, and then they email you like a code so you can download the program, but it is free. There's no other obligations or anything you have to do. Also, before we get into the nuts and bolts of it, there's some things I really don't like about Mobizen, and I want to talk about that at the end. I think it's your best option. If you have an Android phone and don't want to root it, it's probably your best option for recording the screen or for displaying the screen onto your computer. But that doesn't mean it's perfect, and it doesn't mean it doesn't have its drawbacks. And to me, it has some significant drawbacks that I'm not overly joyed about. If you're looking at the top of my screen, you can even see a Yahoo page, is Mobizen a virus? So we're going to talk about that a little bit. But my problem with making this video is I cannot show you guys how to use my screen capture tool while also using the screen capture tool, and I'm not going to hold my cell phone up to the screen and try and do it that way. So I just took some individual screenshots to show you what you're going to get. When you first open BB Flashback Express, you're going to get the screen that is in this picture right here. Now to record your Mobizen, you're going to have, let's say, your Mobizen window up over here. You're going to have this top here on region, and then whether you want sound or not, and whether you want your webcam to be recording you while you're recording. I don't do that. So, and then you're going to hit the record button. When you hit the record button, you're going to get a screen like this. And it's going to ask you to click and drag your mouse to whatever area that you want to record, however big you want to make it. And once you let go, you'll just hit record, and then you will see this box up here with a little timer. That's the next box you see. And there it is right there. You can pause your recording and then start it up again, or you can just stop it. Once you stop, you get this screen. It's asking, would you like to save or would you like to discard? If you click discard, it'll ask you, would you like to restart a recording with the exact same setting? So it means if your sound was on, your sound will be on, and it'll record the exact same spot. So kind of like a do-over, but you don't have to re-drag the thing and do all that. If you click save, it'll bring you to another screen where you'll decide if you want a flash file, AVI, and you can change some settings, but I keep it real basic. I don't know nothing about that stuff, so I don't change it. Okay, so that's what I do to record my screen for when I make Madden Mobile videos or any other kind of videos when I make this video. And you can see it's a clear enough picture, and you can hear me just fine. It's using the microphone on your computer, so it's not like it goes through something else or anything. Here's my problem with Mobizen. You can see my very last screenshot. There's a Mobizen plugin, and for whatever reason, it collects your photo, video, and music information. You can see it down here. And I brought this up to Mobizen in Twitter. I tweeted them and said, hey, why is it doing this? And their response was that it's needed to make the mirroring of my phone faster. But what I don't get about that is these are not files on my phone. It's not like it's saving files from my phone to my computer so that it doesn't have to load those. I mean, these are my computer files. It shouldn't have nothing to do with my computer. It doesn't matter. So I don't like that the plugin is there. And if you want to find yours, if you go down to your taskbar here and click down here, you'll see the plugin right there. A second thing is, for those of you who know, if you go to the start and then go to run and type msconfig, msconfig, and pull that up, you can see your list of startup programs. Mobizen, or the Mobizen plugin, is not listed on my computer as a startup program, but yet it's in the taskbar and it starts when the computer starts. Even before I've run the program, it's there. Another thing I didn't like was when I open the task manager, this one is showing the Mobizen that I just showed you, so it actually should be running. But before I disabled the plugin, before I closed it, I would close it here. Click on it and hit end task, and it would recreate itself and it would pop right back up again. And the way to actually get it to go away and stay gone was just I went through the background processes down here, and of course now it's not listed because I already closed the plugin. Or I didn't, I don't know. Anyways, I had to close it down here in the background processes. I don't know why it's not showing them now. But I just think that I don't like it. And if you do some Googling, you'll see it's listed on malware sites on how to uninstall it. As you see, I did this search, and this person had a similar screenshot asking the same thing, and they had a couple different updates. Screenshot below is the Mobizen status, which updates my media database, which I never trust, but it automatically does it every time I start up my Mac, like I said, when you start it. Also, it used up a ton of my CPU. I heard my laptop about sounding like it was going to explode. The fan was on full blast, and when I checked the task manager, the Mobizen plugin was taking up like 40%, something ridiculous. So it's under our support. I guess that's the company name. I just don't trust them. It's the best app for now, and it's not like a huge deal. I don't have any pictures or videos or music on my computer that I really care about that matters. But it's the point of it that I don't think they need to do that. I don't think it actually makes it faster. I think that's their way. The app is free, but they're also doing some type of data collection that I don't know. So I don't trust it. If there's another option, if a better option comes up, I will switch as soon as I can. But just a heads up for you guys, you make your own decision on whether it's something you want to continue using or not. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video helped you. Hope you can record your screen, even if it's not for Mobizen. If you're doing it for something else, it'd be great. So please give the video a like, and if you're not already a subscriber, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys.